In the last one, I really wasn't happy with my lips, so I got rid of them. I took pictures of my lips making the sounds I needed. Then I put the pictures in one document. I then did the same process with my face, adding filters and adjustment layers.
Now that I've got lips that I like, I've created a little chewing cycle as well, but since I don't have hands, I can't put any food in my mouth. I'll just do a close-up of my head and shoulders. I promised you a recipe, another African favourite, chinchin. Deep-fried, sweet, crunchy dough. In a bowl, add 1.5 cups of plain flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and if you're using a dry flavour like me, add half a teaspoon here. Make a well in the middle. I chose to warm my butter and add it to the milk, but you can add it separately if you wish. Then add half an egg. Yes, you heard me right, just half a medium egg. If you've chosen a wet flavouring like vanilla, add a teaspoon now. Mix everything together and then knead it into a soft dough. If your dough is hard, you may add a tablespoon at a time of water and continue kneading until it stops sticking to your hands. Leave your dough to rest for 10-15 minutes. When your dough is well rested, turn it out onto a clean surface and roll it out to the thickness of a pound coin. Now you are ready to cut the dough into your desired shape, about 1/2 inch, strips, diamonds, squares. I went for squares. Then get your oil sizzling. Test your oil by putting 1 piece in. You want it to rise slowly to the surface, a slow count to 5. If it rises too quickly, your oil is too hot. Turn down the fire and test again. Add a handful of dough at a time, taking care not to overcrowd the pan. Take them out when they are light brown. They will continue to brown as they cool. Spread them on a piece of parchment or kitchen towel to cool. Then enjoy. Yeah, that was lovely. Thanks for watching. See you next time.